everybody, welcome to Crafter's Story. It's Celeste here, and I decided 2026 is going to be my collage year. And in 2026 I will probably change that because, you know, my brain doesn't hold on to an idea for very long. Anyway, so now with it being the holiday season, we're getting a lot of packages, and well, we, you know, throughout the year I suppose we do as well, but I do want to start a collage book and just have a place where I can put down some ideas. So I have this packaging that came, and this paper is really, it's a decent quality paper. It's nice and thick. So I started cutting this one up, but just wanted to show you this before I get started. It has a filling in it that I don't want to mess with. It looks messy. It looks allergy inducing. I don't really want to go there. So I'm going to put this one away and probably let that one go to the garbage, unfortunately. But this one was, when I cut it, it just had these little spaces in between, which kind of gave it a bit of a spongy feel. I really liked that. So I've taken this packaging and I've already cut it to the size that I want. So here are my bits that I cut off. And it measures 10 by 8. So I'm going to stand to the side because my light then can shine a little bit better. So it measures 10 by 8. And then inside, I've already taken some printer paper. I have 15 sheets here that I folded, and I've just stapled them together. So I'm going to now go ahead and staple this into my packaging, because get some stuff out the way so I can get my nice long stapler in here. Where's the middle? There is the middle, and it's in the middle both ways, kind of, maybe. All right, maybe that's the easier way. All right, like that. So I've got my signature centered, and I'm going to bring in my long neck. Oh my gosh, is it long enough? Why is it sticking? Oh, it's not sticking. Okay. This is my long neck stapler. I'm going to use to just staple my signature onto the packaging material, which is now going to be my cover. Like that. And hopefully it did go all the way. Yeah, it went all the way through. That's great. And then I've got a little bit of excess here, so I'm going to cut this excess off. And then fold, just kind of, oops, okay. It's just a super easy way to create your own art journal or collage book. Let's turn it around, be easier. With free materials. Okay, so maybe the printer paper isn't free, but maybe if you do have some other art papers lying around that you don't really know what to do with, could come in quite handy. Oh man, do you see what I did? I think I came off center when I stapled, so let me just make a new fold. Let me make a new fold here. Close enough. I'm going to follow the fold of my signature when I cut, and that's just so that I can now, kind of like wrapping a gift, I can wrap my signature to give it a cover. Do I do this? Oh well, I committed, because that and that is not exactly the same size, but I'm just going to wing it. So when I do crafts like this, and I do videos, I try as best as I can, guys, to be descriptive with what I'm doing. That is not one of my strong suits. I'll just kind of be honest. But I love to do these, and I love to share ideas. So I hope that when I'm putting these ideas and crafts out there, that they spark an idea, spark some joy, spark an idea. So I'm using my extra strength Elmer's Craft Bond glue stick. Just thought that was probably a good idea to use. And I'm going to take the first page and bring it across, and then kind of wrap across. This paper is maybe not going to play nice, this packaging paper. It is a little thick. It does have that spacer. Oh, dog's barking. But this is not meant to be a perfect book. It's meant to be one that I can just play with for my art journal ideas, for some collage ideas. It's quick, it's easy. I personally love the idea of it being kind of grungy and not perfect. So when I name this video, it's going to be probably something like how to make a not so perfect art journal. I suppose that would be a little too long. That title would be a little too long, but that's exactly what this is, a not so perfect art journal, collage book, glue book, vacation journal for mementos if you want to do it as a sticker book type thing, you know, all of the above. And so now what I'm going to do is once again put down a little bit of my glue, a little bit. I never do glue in a little bit. My glue's always a lot of it. I do a lot of bit of glue. And then put the next page down as well. And that sort of neatens it up a little bit, right? Where's my next page? Come on, next page. Here we go. Oh, that's a bit lumpy. Let me see if I can get some of these glue lumps out a little bit. Like that. Okay. Okay. There you go. That neatened up the end a little bit. I've got glue on my fingers. I'm just going to use my arm to see if I can kind of get it nice and adhered. Perfect. Come across to this side. And there we go. Get a bit of glue down on this side. I like this particular packaging. It just has a kind of squishy, 3D squishy, and it's probably because of those little spaces, feel to it. Okay. Oh, now you can't stay on the page. You've got to go back. Get that in there. Let's get rid of any little lumpy bits. Find my last page without getting too much glue on it. All right, and a little elbow grease here, forearm magic. And of course, as you can see, nothing's lining up, and I don't. Fine by me. So the book is pretty much assembled. Now at this point, and nothing's lining up. How did I manage to get it to not line up, guys? Maybe I overdid it when I did the fold in. It's okay. It's totally fine. You get the idea, right? Maybe you guys will be a little more accurate than I am. I did this on the fly. Maybe the next one, I've got another signature here ready, and I will probably use that one to make a better one where it lines up a bit better. But you know what? It's okay. It's a-okay. This front cover now, I can use some gesso and get started with, where's a paintbrush? There we go. Let me just reach for a nice paintbrush. Let me get Maybe I don't want to get gesso on my front cover just yet. This is going to be a messy journal. I'm okay with that. I can probably put something on the back to make it fit better. Does it really, you know, make that much of a difference to me? I don't think so. I just wanted something fun. But yeah, you know, you guys can obviously do a little bit, well, a lot better probably than me in terms of measurement. I tend to not plan very well with these things. I want to just do it. All right, so I will let this dry, and then I'll do the back, and then I'll start putting in some collage items. I have so many ideas for collage in this book, and I'm going to be sharing that with you in the next few videos. So there you go. I hope I sparked an idea for you to use up your packaging and make your own glue book, collage book, art journal, travel, sticker book, whatever it is that you want to use it for. And I will see you next time. Bye.